What's up, you guys? Welcome to today's video, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. Super excited to have you guys here. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, so before we even get into this video, before I start, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button over on my channel here. We do a lot of hauls on different brands. I don't just focus on one brand. I focus more on like brands from all over, so big, small, whatever you guys want to see. If you ever have any like store in particular you want me to do a haul on, let me know and I will look into that for you guys. Also do some vlogs sometimes and some mukbangs. It's just a good time here on my channel, so if you are not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button and let's make it to 10k subscribers because we are almost there and this is actually crazy. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to show you what's inside my Louis Vuitton bag and also what I just bought at Coach. So let's get into the video. We'll start off with what's inside my bag. I've wanted to do this video for quite a long time now, but honestly with COVID I have not been going out, but I did use my bag this past week a lot. It was my anniversary with my boyfriend and I did a lot of Christmas shopping before we went on lockdown again, because yes, Toronto and York region were back on 24-day lockdown, so I did take out my Louis to come Christmas shopping with me when I went out. So this is pretty much what was in my bag the whole time, and it's a small bag, so obviously not a lot fits, but this is the, I don't remember what the bag is called, but I will have it in the description in case you guys want it. I also forgot to mention, just wanted to show you quickly, the purse that I bought does come with these two inserts. I don't really use this one honestly because I use the key pouch more, and then this one is just nice for like receipts or anything small that you want to keep in there. But yeah, I forgot to show you guys this, so I just figured I would show you now. But yeah, just in case you are wondering about this bag, it does also come with these two inserts when you purchase the bag. So this is it. Love the inside. So just for the sake of the video right now, I stuck my phone in there. I have the Samsung S20 Ultra, so as you can see by my face, it is a pretty big phone and I like to have that in there. Also have my car keys along with my house keys and my Louis Vuitton pouch, which inside this one I try to keep it as simple as possible now, so especially because I can't use cash a lot anymore. Most places don't take cash. I just have simple cards. I have like 4 different cards. I have my debit card, 2 credit cards, my driver's license, and a Canada Post shipping small business card. So I have that, my car keys, pretty chunky, and then just 2 little house keys. Next up, we have pack of gum. Love gum. Always have gum in my purse. I have an EB Games receipt. Probably bought my boyfriend something for his PlayStation 5. What is this receipt even for? For a controller. Oh, I did, yes. So, have a receipt for a controller. I like to have a lip balm or a lip gloss. I have them in all like my different purses. I have a bunch depending which purse it is. There's just a bunch everywhere. But for this purse, I just have this like Tarte nude tinted like gloss. It's very hydrating. It doesn't dry matte. It is the Quench Lip Rescue in the shade Nude. It's a mini one, so it fits perfectly. Also have hand cream from the Body Shop. This is the You're the One. Love this scent. Also, if you guys have not checked out any of my Bath & Body Works ones, definitely go check them out. I have a candle day haul, a body care haul, and then an entire collection haul of everything that I have in my house that's from Bath & Body Works, so definitely go check that out. And lastly, hand sanitizer because germs everywhere nowadays. And this is the You're the One. I just love this scent. It's strawberry and roses. It's not very overpowering, but absolutely love this. And yeah, that is literally everything that fits inside this purse. It's not the biggest purse, so obviously this is a smaller purse. Not much fits in there, but that is usually everything I carry around. I mean, it's not that bad. Phone, car key, sanitizer, cream, gum, receipts, like a wallet, a mini wallet-ish. Like, it's not that bad, and it's everything I need. I don't like to overstuff this just because it is a pretty structured bag. You can't stretch it out too much, but absolutely love this bag. This is like my favorite bag ever. But I also do have the 26 toiletry pouch from Louis Vuitton. Also, that one fits a lot more because it's bigger, but this is my new one, so I just like to wear it out more. And I love the fact that if you double this up, it can be a cute little shoulder bag. But recently I've actually liked wearing this as a crossbody bag, so those are the two options you have with this bag. Next up, we have what I bought today at Coach. Honestly, I have never bought myself anything from Coach, and the only thing that I owned from Coach was this. My friend gave it to me like 2 years ago, and it was perfect because I took it to Barcelona, and funny enough, I still have all like our leftover money from Barcelona, our euros. I have so many euros that I thought my boyfriend and I would use this year, and clearly with COVID we haven't used it, but I just like to keep all my euros in there for when we are able to go back. I still have some money. So yeah, my friend gave me this, and honestly I just never bought anything from Coach. I don't know why. I've never really looked at the Coach website, but recently I bought one of my friends a Coach like wristlet for her birthday, and like the little exchange swap box that we did. And I was actually going to buy a Louis Vuitton white canvas purse, but then because of just the discoloration, how dirty it's gonna get and everything, I was on the hunt for the perfect cute little small compact white wristlet kind of purse thing, and I found the perfect one. And shout out to my boyfriend because he actually bought it for me, so he is such a sweetheart. Thank you so much, babe. This is it. I absolutely freaking love this. It has like a little wristlet so you can wear it like this. Super cute. It's small. The inside is just like that, so you have space to put stuff here, you have a pocket in here, and you can just put your cards on that side. And I love how it has the gold plaque on it. Absolutely love this. So I ended up going with this one just because I couldn't get myself to spend the $900 on the Louis Vuitton, I think it's the Damier Azur Pochette accessoire, I think that's what it's called, but it was $900 plus tax. I could not get myself to do that just because, knowing me, I know how I throw my stuff everywhere. It's white. I cannot keep white things clean, and something that expensive, I would just rather get the other canvases from Louis Vuitton. But I also really wanted a white purse like this, so we saw this at Coach and I was like, I absolutely need to have this. My boyfriend swooped in when it was time to pay, and he tapped his card, and yeah, I got this. Absolutely love it. Perfect size. So this fits my phone nice and snug in there. And then for my cards and extra things here, which is exactly what I wanted it for. I didn't want it something big. This is the exact thing I was looking for. And honestly, it was not $900 like the Louis Vuitton one. So I'm really happy with this one. But I won't feel as bad when this starts to, you know, get a little bit more dirty and there's discoloration. So absolutely love this. Obsessed with that. Because I loved it so much, I actually bought one as like a little add-on to one of my friends for her gift. This is it. It's a miniature version of it, and it just goes like that. And it's cute. Card holder again, a pocket. And this one is just a little bit smaller, more compact. So I figured that was a cute little gift idea, so I will be adding this as an add-on to other things that I got one of my friends. And then last thing, look how cute this is. I love the color of this and how it has the dark brown here, and then their like little logo and design over there. It's like the newer version, I guess, of what I was gifted 2 years ago, but I just really like the color of it, and that's just the comparison. I'm actually thinking of picking up a second one of these. I really like it, and again, it has the like gold logo. So I'm thinking of adding this to my 10K giveaway. I'm not too sure like what gifts I want or what exactly is going to go into the 10K giveaway, but I feel like I want to just get a bunch of my favorite things, put them all together, and then give it to you guys because you guys are amazing and great. So yeah, let me know if you want me to like pick up another one of these. That way I can include it in my 10K giveaway. I feel like it's neutral, everybody can use it, it's cute, compact, so I figured this would be like a cute idea to add into the 10K giveaway. So if you guys want me to add this and think it's a good idea, let me know down in the comments. That is everything, guys, for today's haul. That is everything that fits in my Louis Vuitton purse, and then everything that I bought today at Coach. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Again, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!